So if I wanted to make money like real fast online, like this is what I would do if I wanted to make money so fast online. And you guys know on this page I've always been preaching Twitter. Like do Twitter. Like you guys go and do Twitter. I've always been preaching it from like when I started this YouTube channel, which is like a month or 2 months ago. Go and do Twitter. Get your ass into Twitter. So if I wanted to make money like online, like I will do Twitter. Like Twitter is what I will do. So this is what I will do on Twitter. I will go up on Twitter, like for the first 1 week I'll be on Twitter. I will try and analyze where there's a gap in content creating. What people are seeing but want to see more. And people that are giving it to them are not giving them enough. Let me explain. When I did my Twitter for the first time, I went on Twitter and I didn't necessarily, scan the environment. I don't went there and I started doing what I wanted to do, right? But you that don't have a strategy, this is what you can probably do. In my own case, when I went on Twitter, I went and I was like, I put out the food video. I was putting out food pictures, and people enjoyed watching my food pictures. And I was like, okay. Over time, I realized that there was a vacuum. Like there was not much of a food content creator. People were just like, they are food influencers, but they don't necessarily post their food. Like they post a few food like once in like a week. And we're like, no, I wanted to give people that food content as much as they wanted or as much as they want to see. So I then said, okay, I saw a vacuum and I filled it up by putting myself into that vacuum. I started posting food content every day on YouTube. I stole some pictures from other sources, like from my sister, my brother, which lived there in different places, and I stole and I was able to keep up. So if I wanted to make money real fast, I'll just hop on Twitter, get my blue tick in check, get my subscribers or my followers, like get people to follow me, do follow back, like I follow you, follow me back, things like that. This happens very well on Twitter. And get yourself to like 500 or 700 subscribers or followers on YouTube. Then you get verified. When you get verified, you get paid every 2 weeks. Then this is the plot twist. Get yourself into a group chat of people that are able to push your tweet for you because you have barely 1,000 subscribers or followers, right? So nobody is obviously going to see your tweet as much as you want it to be seen. So get yourself into a group chat of people that can push your post or push your tweet and push everything about you to more and more audience. Then when you're being consistent, you're going to make money. This money might not come as fast as you want, but I'm kidding you not. If you're very consistent for like 3 weeks, and the first week you must get paid by Twitter. Like that's a sure. It might not be that big, but I mean at least you might see my $15 or $13 or $20. That's how I started before I started climbing up the ladder into making like 1,000. Right? I remember I said it on this channel that I made over $1,000 on YouTube, on Twitter actually for the first time. So I created a different account. I made another like $300 to $500 on the different accounts, and you can do the same thing if you want to do so. So I'll put a video on the screen, a picture of the video on the screen. Go to my channel and look for that video, or you go to my description, scroll down to the first video you're going to see from behind, like from down, tap on that video, and you enjoy how I was able to make my first $500 on YouTube. On Twitter, why am I using YouTube so much? On Twitter, yes. So that's what they're going to do to make money as like this. Like if I want to make money that fast, I'll make money like this. If I want to make money that's going to last me a very long time, like a long-term money, I'll hop on YouTube. That's what I'm doing now. So yeah. So that's an advice from me to you guys. So all you have to do for me now just to hit the like button and subscribe so I can get eligible so I can make money off YouTube. You get what I'm saying? So this is what I'll do to make money so fast on Twitter in like 1 month. Like if I'm willing to pay off my debt or paying off something and I want to just invest like 20K or 30K, I'll hop into making Twitter posts and I'll make so much money. And that's like a free advice from me to you. So do well to like subscribe and I'll see you guys on a different video. Go and watch my previous videos, please. Watch my previous videos. And I'll see you guys on a different video. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe.